Hello, my name is Siddhant Ray. I am from SP Robotics Maker Lab, Andheri, Mumbai. I have completed my IOT or Internet of Things and now I have made my final project. The name of my project is News in Wendy's. So News in Wendy's, my robot can do stuff like telling news to the people who come to the restaurant to eat food. Further, the IR sensor which is attached to my robot will sense the people's body and it will tell them the entire menu as in when they enter the restaurant. Currently, I am sitting in front of a computer because I have connected my IoT device to a computer screen. I have programmed my IoT device using Python programming language. My IoT device also has an inbuilt computer called Raspberry Pi in it. So, this is the entire code of my project. This is for all the news headlines. Then this is for the climate or weather. This is for food recipes, etc. Then this is the program when your dish is ready, so when you will speak into the microphone. However, this device is meant to be a standalone personal assistant. This is the first element of my IoT project. I have programmed my IoT device to tell various types of news which is going around, such as temperature, politics, space, local news, weather, recipes, etc. So this is how it works. So it will tell us which news do you want to play.
Press the button and tell me what you want.
So if I want to play a news on temperature, so it will tell the temperature around us. Temperature.
What's the best temperature for my water heater? Embers mode 2 and travel mode to extend your coffee temperature sweet spot. Arctic blast promises a frigid veteran stay in Midwest. Master build 330G propane smoker review, as good as wood. Let's solve every pie problem you can throw at us. What else would you like to learn about?
So now let us hear a news about recipes. Recipe.
Amazon sellers are shipping long expired food. Make turkey nuggets for a fast food style Thanksgiving. Where to get free food on Halloween 2019. How to figure out your monthly food budget. Is added protein in packaged food really healthier? What else would you like to learn about?
So now let us hear a news about politics. Politics.
Analysis. Today's elections are mostly about Trump. We won. Saving the world starts with local elections. Israel, opioids, Canadian elections, your Monday evening briefing. One thing you can do, know your organic food. Will Neil Young's marijuana use keep him from becoming a U.S. citizen? Bolivia protests, ruling party urges support for Evo Morales. Swiss election, why melting Alps could create a green wave. What else would you like to learn about?
Now we would hear a news about the weather. Weather.
Sorry, I was not able to process the audio.
Weather.
2019 is the year of the climate strike. Climate rage is working. California's wildfires are the doom of our own making. Google revealed to be funding climate deniers. So we're back on this bullshit again. What else would you like to learn about?
This is the second major element of my IoT project. I have programmed my IoT device in such a way that when any person comes in my restaurant, which is called Wendy's restaurant, to eat food, the IR sensor which is placed on the table will sense the person and will tell him or her the various food options which are available on that specific day. So this is how it works. For example, if my hand is a person, so it senses my hand and it will say all the options.
Hey, welcome to Wendy's restaurant. What would you like to have? Today's menu is as follows: pizza, pasta, French fries, burger, veg fried rice, veg rice, steamed rice, chicken fried rice, and chicken rice. Please speak into the microphone as to what you would like to have.
So now I am going to give my order into this microphone. For example, if I want to eat steamed rice, so now I am going to say steamed rice into the microphone and it will tell, okay, your order will come in 15 to 20 minutes. So this is how it works. Steamed rice.
Okay, your steamed rice will come in 15 to 20 minutes.
If someone wants to order a dish which is not included in the menu, let us see what my IoT device will speak. Hot dog.
Oh, we also love that dish, but unfortunately it's not in the menu today.
As explained earlier in my video, the IR sensor, when the people come into the restaurant to eat food, the IR sensor which is attached to my IoT device will sense the people's body and it will tell them the entire menu. However, I have now programmed my IR sensor in the reverse manner. So when the people are done with their dining and have already paid the bill, let us see what my IoT device will speak.
Thank you for visiting Wendy's. Please visit again.
I have programmed my IoT device to run the motors so that my PDA can move from one place to another. When I speak into the microphone, go, so my IoT device will go forward, and when I speak into the microphone as back, my IoT device will come back. This is how it works.
Press the button and tell me what you want.
So if I want my motors to move forward, then I have to give the command as go. Go. Now if I want my motors to move back, then I have to give the command as back. Return. I have learned various IoT features in my IoT course, such as disco lighting, making an MP3 player, speech to text recognition, and etc. So I have implemented all these features in my project and I have made a final project out of it. I have used Python program to code my IoT device. Thank you for watching my video.